Hello YouTubers! Today we're going to be doing a fan maintenance and how to remove the fan housing. So pretty much these Delta fans are pretty easy to remove, these newer ones, compared to the old ones that it's built into the house. That's only like 50 CFM. This one's a Delta GBR-100. It's a CFM 100, so it's double of what it used to be. Got it installed about 8 years ago. Evidently, you're supposed to actually clean this thing once a year, but I haven't got to it until now. It's about like 8 years, and just want to show everyone how dirty it can get. This is inside a powder room, and I rarely open the window, but somehow there's a lot of dust that collects in here. So just want to show everyone, once I open the housing here, to remove the fan housing, you just need 3 screws to remove that, and then from the back you can remove a couple more screws to take out the spinning fan blade. So I just want to show that to you. I do apologize if the camera shakes. I'm holding it with one hand here. Okay. Okay, and so there is one screw here. Oh, there's another screw there. And should be one more in here as well. So this is 8 years of not cleaning it. And so now I will clean it. And so here's the power over here. You want to unplug this before you unscrew the 3 screws in there. And then after, you have to clean everything inside here. So this was part 1 of the video. So if you like this, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe. Until the next one.